For sliding door hardware solutions, pros in the know choose Häfele, the world's source for the finest hardware, with an industry-leading selection of sliding door solutions. There are many advantages to sliding doors. You can use sliding doors to transition large spaces, hiding or sectioning off areas as needed. You can create space by hiding doors completely. And you can use sliding when space is tight and there's not enough room for swing out doors. From the rustic farmhouse look of barn doors, to the space-saving convenience of pocket doors, and from the elegant look of smooth sliding bypass doors, to the classic style of bifold doors, we have the kits, accessories, and selection you need to complete any of your sliding door projects. For more information, you can view our entire catalog online at häfele.com.